Hi YouTubers, today I'll be having an unboxing of my 320 security shotgun. I got it off guns.com. Had it delivered to my gun dealer. And I have a few little apparatuses to put on the shotgun here, and I'll do my unboxing with I have a shell holder here that goes on the butt. If you bear with me for a minute here. I got the shotgun at a good deal. And it's a popular shotgun. It's on a lot of YouTube videos, and it's supposed to be a home defense shotgun. So I am doing an unboxing today to show you all my new purchase. So this is a little sleeve, a shotgun, a shell holder from Allen's. It was like $5. I got this from Walmart, and I'm gonna do this little boxing here, and then I got a little carrying case from Walmart as well. It's an Allen too. This is inexpensive because this was like $17 and this was like $5. So that's just a little something I had to put it in. Let's see here. As you can see, it's well packaged. See here. Yeah, they have it well packaged because this is kind of hard to get into here. There you go. And they tell you not to tear up your box because if it's not properly, the shotgun is not working, they tell you to keep your box so you can always send it back, but you have to have a box so you don't really dispose of your box until you took it to the range and test fired it. So as you can see, it's well packaged. Okay. Let's see, remove the assembly. And it's a Stevens Model 320 pump shotgun. See here. Just take off a little of this other stuff here. And here barrel.